Hey guys, Rachel CPR here. Today I just wanted to share with you what's happening in our homeschooling this week. This week we are having a week of math. Our math is not necessarily an issue, but I thought that my children needed to focus a little bit more attention on accuracy when they are doing their different math functions. And so we are taking these 2 weeks where we are going to focus on math. We are still doing some of our other core subjects, but we are really putting a lot of emphasis on what we do with math. We are doing math games, we are doing math computer games, board games, computer games. Everything is just centered around math and the purpose of the numbers, the diagrams, the everything, because I don't want them to continue on with what they're doing, learning more and more things, and then not have some very basic things really heavy in their system so that they don't have any problems. So I went to the dollar store and I was so happy with what I found because I actually found a bunch of math games. And these are actually for younger students, their first, second grade and preschool. But I thought for them to just have something sounded down into them that they already had, that these would just be really a lot of fun and they will be the repetition that they need in order to really boost their math abilities. So there is, the first one that I have is actually not a math game. This is about the alphabet, capital and lowercase letters, and this is for my preschooler. And so this one he will just use to match the capital and lowercase letters. Here you go, baby. And then we have this one right here that is a subtraction map. It's a subtraction game that they map through and they have to get the answers out very, very quickly. I actually purchased 2 of these by accident, but it works out because they can actually use this as a little competition trying to get the math facts out fastest. Did you want this one with the flowers? No. Okay. So, and then we have this one that is a little fishing game, which is addition. The light is really catching that. But this is an addition game, and they will be able to use this to work on their addition facts. And then we have one that is called Keep the Change, and this one is my favorite simply because, a big thing to me is when a child goes into a store, they want to pay for their item, they hand the cashier a handful of money and they don't know what to expect back. So it's that's a big thing to me because I would like for them to know exactly how to take care of different things like finances and just balancing out their money, how much they plan on spending, how much they plan on getting back. So that was a big one. I did have one more, and that is a preschool game, and that is a matching colors game that uses popsicles, where the top side just shows the color and they have to lift it up and match the words for the colors. And that I really like because it shows, again, my baby already knows his colors, so he just matches it and he's identifying with the color and the way the color is spelled, and so that's a big deal. I really, really like that one. So these were a major treat in the dollar store. I was so happy when I came across them, especially for our math week. So we are going to continue the rest of this week, which is just one more day, and then we are going to continue again for next week. Not as hard as this week, but next week we are going to add some computer games that are for math, and over the weekend we're going to do some math drills and competitions. Because, again, they were doing fine, but I just want to really make sure that they are on point, just like with their sight words when it comes to their math routines. So that's all I have for you guys today, and we'll update you more coming up soon. Okay, guys? Bye.